Welcome back to our channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and today is another envelope stuffing day. Hello, if you like videos about personal finance, lifestyle, planning, budgeting, and cooking sometimes, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Become part of the family, and let's begin. So for our video today, as you know, magsastock na naman tayo or magsastuff na naman tayo ng mga pera or ipon sa ating sinking funds. So these are sinking funds every 20th of the month kasi yun ang ating binibase natin siya sa ating pay period. So again, meron tayong cash, konti lang to, and then of course, few envelopes. So pagka every 20th of the month, mas konti lang yung fini-filloutan natin na envelopes, and konti lang din yung binabudget natin for that. So ayun, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start. So, I've already written here yung amount ng ating mga cash envelopes. So, all we just need to do is to stuff it with money. Pero, hindi ako nakakuha ng maraming different denominations of like bills this time around. So, ang gagawin ko, I plan to just switch the bills as I go along para hindi masyadong mahirapan. Hindi rin ako masyadong mahirapan or madelay sa pag-upload nitong budgeting video natin kasi I needed to pabarya pa itong ibang mga cash. Pero kung meron naman na tayong mga barya dito at bubuuin na natin yung bills dito, better para hindi na rin masyadong kumapal yung envelope. So, let's start off muna yung mga money na wala, like hindi na natin kailangan ng envelope. So that's number 1. We have miscellaneous fee. Miscellaneous fee. Ano to, school? Sorry, it's all about the budget. Okay, miscellaneous spending money / miscellaneous / spending money. Ayan, ito siya. So 1,000. I'll be putting it aside para hindi tayo magkamali, right? Let me just move you around. Next, we also have our house money. Actually, I just needed to put this back pabalik dun sa house budget ko kasi nagalaw ko to dahil wala nga akong barya. So, I'm just gonna have to put it back there. 1,300. That's it. House money. So, I'll just put it aside again para sa ating ibang budget na walang envelope. And then, we have the envelopes na. Okay, so we'll start. Actually, kasi kailangan natin ng barya. So, magsiswitch na tayo ng bills kasama or yung nandito sa ating envelope. Okay. And so, this is our vacation envelope, and according sa ating budget sheet, it should have 100 or 1,200. Okay, so we have to indicate, add 420 sa envelope na to. So, it will be, the balance now would be 1,200. So, let's get some cash in here. Tapos, palitan na lang natin. Right, so ito siya. We only need 1,200. So, we'll just get 1,000 bill here. We'll switch some bills. And then put 200. 1,200. So this one will be included na dito sa ating pile of bills or cash. Ayan. So 1,200. We're good. Ito na yung magiging bagong laman ng ating vacations envelope. Ayan. So let me just adjust it. An envelope for vacation. Good. So, we have updated this one. Perfect. Sorry, guys. Yan. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, next up, let me just organize this, kasi nakakagulo ng buhay. Hold on, guys. Let me just move the envelopes a little bit away. So, 100. 1,520s. Ayan. Okay, moving forward, let's move on. Teka lang, i-mark ko lang yung vacations ng check. Okay, let's try Christmas. Christmas naman, Christmas sinking fund should have, yan. Ang laman ng dapat niya, I'll also be including or adding 420 sa sinking fund na to. So, it should have 1,180 na. Okay? So, let's again get some money. And then, ipalit natin yung mga buo. Right. So, 1,180. So, we'll just get 1,000 again. And then, 100. Yan. And then 80. So, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ayan. So, pinalitan na natin ng cash. Dapat 1,180. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, that will be the amount na nasa loob ng ating Christmas sinking fund. So, I'm very happy guys kasi malayo pa yung Christmas. Marami pa tayong pwedeng maipong pera. So, that's a wonderful technique para hindi tayo makapusan ng pera sa holiday season. You can create a sinking fund for that. So, we're good with the Christmas sinking fund. Now, let's move on to the next sinking fund would be birthdays. So, let me just get it. So, according sa sinking fund budget list or sheet, it should have 1,180 as well. So, we will also add 420 sa ating sinking fund. So, let's just get, the money inside first. And then, palitan natin sila ng my goodness, Shopee. Okay, there we go. And then, palitan natin ng 1,000. Again, 1,000. 100. And then 80. So, we have 500 over here. 100 over there. 2, 4, 6, 80. 2, 4, 6, 80. So, ayan. 1,180. There we go. So, pasensya na po sa mga sumisigaw na bata at tumatahol na aso. I cannot control that. I need to do this para makip na natin yung pera. Ayan. So, this is for the birthdays, 1,180. We're good. We can put it aside. And then we have our savings. Sa savings, we will be putting savings 4,300. Okay, so let's just get, so yan, sorry, ito pala siya 4,300. So it should have 4,690 na. So we are going to get the laman, and again we will switch some bills. Same procedure. 4,000. Oh no, savings. Alright, sorry. Kukunin pala natin yung 4. Oh no, we don't have 4,000. Oh, there. Just get this one. Yep, right? Kaya-kaya natin tong gawin. Sana hindi tayo makapusan. We'll find out. We'll find out, guys. 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4,000. 600. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4,690. Ayan. Let's just put it there. 90. There you go. Okay, so actually, majority ng ating sinking today or money today will be allotted sa ating sinking fund, savings fund. So let's do it again. Let's just move the cash. Yan. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 690. Yan. So, that's the total ng ating savings fund. Right. Good job. So, we'll just put it back in here. And this is our savings fund. Perfect. Yan, malaki yung savings natin for this particular cut-off. And then, of course, meron din tayong napunta sa emergency fund. Okay, now, sorry guys, umiyak yung pamangkin ko. Let's move on to challenge. This is the 52-week challenge and we only need to include or put 60 pesos in here. So, dahil 60 pesos, dapat ang laman na niya ay 4,700. Okay, let's get the cash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan. So this one should have 4,700. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So again, this will be for our 52-week challenge. Perfecto. Ayan. So we'll just put it here and we're good. Itong remaining money naman ay mapupunta sa let's check it. We have money for miscellaneous, right? Nakuha ko na. And the house. And yeah, payment. Of course, we have to do this. 5,000 for online shopping. 5,000. 500 for online shopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is for online shopping. And the remaining 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 ay I don't know. Siguro savings na lang din to. Hindi ko siya makita sa aking sulat na budget. So, probably this will go sa ating savings. Again, mapupunta na lang to sa 20 peso challenge. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ating sariling challenge. So, anyway, 20 peso challenge. Anyway, this one, 500 will be for the online shopping, right? Ito siya. Tapos, spending money, 1,000. And then, 1,300 for the house. Ayan. Okay, and then this one will be savings. Alright, so there you go, fam. Thank you so much for watching another stuffing or envelope stuffing video with me. And of course, I'll be seeing you again on my next video. Thank you so much. Hope you can save more money and manage your finances more. Thank you so much. Bye!